Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make instant Kerala fish curry using fish masala. Take fish half kg. I am using basa fish here. 1 medium onion. Ginger garlic paste 1.5 tablespoon. Fish masala 4 tablespoon. Cocum 2 or 3 soaked in water. Fenugreek seeds 1 1/4 teaspoon. Cut onion into small pieces. Heat a pan and add coconut oil 2 tablespoon. Add mustard seeds half teaspoon. Add the fenugreek seeds. They start spluttering. Now add the cut onions and saute it till it becomes light brown in color. Add ginger garlic paste. And saute it. Add fish masala. Mix it. Add some water to it. Now add the cocum and the water. Add enough salt. Now add more water for the gravy. Increase the flame. Now add the fish pieces. Reduce the flame and close the lid and let it cook for 30 minutes. You can give a stir like this in between so that the fish doesn't break. Now the fish curry is ready. You can have it with rice. Thank you all for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Like, share and comment. Thank you. Bye.